morning. Today is Thursday, June 13th, 2024. I'm here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is a waterline video of Caroline. We got some concerns about the waterline. Not 100% sure on exactly what's going on. So this is going to be a before video of the waterline, so we can, kind of better inform the customer about how the growth, how fast the growth happens and where it starts, and all about that. So let's go ahead and start. So right over here, this is where the ablative painting has been rubbed. It's natural for that to happen when we come out here and clean, but especially on the water line, this is where stuff's going to start growing the soonest. So let's go ahead and take this video. Let's see. Where some barnacles were. It's got a little bit of barnacle glue there, but that's also in a thin spot for your paint. So if I try and take off all that barnacle glue, it's likely that your paint will also come off too. All this up here, this is staining. This is just from, the water constantly being at that spot. That again, we could rub it off as hard as we can, scrub it as much as possible, but that also takes off your paint. So we typically don't scrub it to the point where it looks like it's showroom quality. That was the water line. I do notice that here, this is your gel coat. That's also your gel coat. I do see that there's a distinct difference in color there. We do have a whole spray that we can bring out here to clean up this portion of your gel coat, but we don't like doing it all the time because it weakens it. It's a type of acid that we have, and it weakens your gel coat. But if you want to get this gel coat to look a little bit more whiter like this gel coat, then we can go ahead and schedule that for your next service. Alright, so that's your water line, and as always, thank you for choosing DS Sky.